Hey guys, welcome back to Broke Overland. My name is Chad, and as you can tell by the level of destruction behind me, we went camping and I broke the bed.
So even despite the rain and snow, we did find a good little spot to camp at Baker Lake.
Hiding in the woods. Welcome to blue sky camping in the Pacific Northwest. Yep.
In between snow showers, we did actually get to take the dogs out for a few walks, and Michelle got to practice her long, slow running. And there it is.
There's Michelle picking up trash at Baker Lake.
Hey,
Anybody?
we're gonna raffle away these shorts here. You like and subscribe, and everyone goes in for a drawing to get those shorts that just fell down.
Yep. Just leave a comment. We'll package those up, mail them out to you.
Mail them right to you. I'll throw in the free fishing line too,
There you go.
and a beer can.
It's half burnt.
Baker Lake is a result of the Baker Dam, a concrete gravity structure about 312 feet high and about 1,200 feet long, and is capable of producing 91 megawatts. And that reservoir stretches 9 miles.
The tent may be a little warm. How's that fire going in there?
Well, and there's the remnants of what happens when you lower the bed with a hydro flask in it. Whoops. Yeah, I left a hydro flask on the table and lowered the bed, and turns out it'll punch right through. So we're gonna fix it.
And just like that, you can't even tell it was broken. Except for all those pieces that were miscuts. There we go. Got some stain on it. Can almost not even tell that it's 2 different boards. All right, now all I gotta do is schloiter it back in. Man, what the? It's still actually kind of moist. Moist, wet, whatever. Oh, it's harsh. We gotta open the door to the bathroom to slide it in. Oh my God, it slid right in. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just shooter it this side in. That's in. Ooh, it's all flush. Ooh. All right, we're just gonna put like 96 screws in, and hope and pray that nothing's really moved. One. Oh, for crap's sakes, dude. This just wants to cross thread. Sometimes these things do not go together well. There we go. And just like that, we actually have it fixed. Cool. Now we gotta clean this mess up. Well, there you go. It's all fixed up and yeah, dry. So hope you like this little quick one here. Stick with us next time when I do a little bit of a round the truck and show you what we've been up to in the last couple of months. Anyways, we'll catch you in the next one. "80-20 to the rescue." Is that my car? Dang it. I didn't have my keys on me.